Success is not something that happens overnight. It is built through countless small decisions, quiet moments of discipline, and the courage to keep moving even when progress feels invisible. Every challenge teaches a lesson. Every mistake creates an opportunity to grow, and every new day offers another chance to become a better version of yourself. Never underestimate the power of consistency. Dreams become reality not because they are easy, but because someone chooses to work for them every single day. Believe in your potential, stay curious, embrace change, and remember that your future is shaped by what you do today, not by what you planned yesterday.
Muvaffaqiyat bir kechada sodir bo'ladigan narsa emas. U son-sanoqsiz kichik qarorlar, intizom bilan o'tgan sokin lahzalar va natija hali ko'rinmasa ham, oldinga yurishda davom etish jasorati orqali quriladi. Har bir qiyinchilik sizga saboq beradi. Har bir xato o'sish uchun imkoniyat yaratadi. Va har bir yangi kun o'zingizning yanada yaxshiroq talqiningizga aylanish uchun yangi imkoniyat taqdim etadi. Muntazam harakatning kuchini hech qachon kamsitmang. Orzular oson bo'lgani uchun emas, balki kimdir ular uchun har kuni mehnat qilgani sababdan haqiqatga aylanadi. O'z salohiyatingizga ishoning, o'rganishga chanqoq bo'ling, o'zgarishlarni qabul qiling va unutmangki, kelajagingiz kecha rejalashtirilgan narsalaringiz bilan emas, balki bugun qilayotgan ishlaringiz bilan belgilanadi.